Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jeff Higgins from Higgins Storm Chasing. It is Wednesday, the 22nd of August 2018. Okay, there's a little bit of promise in the forecast for southern and southeast Queensland, in the eastern half of New South Wales, mainly that northeast corner up there on Friday and Saturday. But let's take a look at the live satellite picture now from Weather Zone. This is the feature here that we're keeping an eye on. There's a low pressure system developing in the bight. Just to the south of South Australia there. Now it is forecast to track towards the northeast across South Australia. It will bring a little bit of rain across southern parts of South Australia and a few storms across the northeast and eastern inland there. But it becomes established across southwest Queensland and northwest New South Wales on Friday, and that should start to trigger some showers and storms through southern Queensland, northern New South Wales. And on Saturday it moves through and continues to increase activity. So that's what we're watching live today, and we'll keep an eye on it and make sure it comes up here. Okay, so let's go over and have a look at the synoptic pattern from Windy. And what this will do is it'll show you that low pressure system. You can see him down here in the bight. And what it is forecast to do tomorrow, we'll jump ahead in 24-hour blocks here. Crosses there through the southern parts of South Australia. It will bring a little bit of rain to South Australia, but not a huge amount, because you can see there's a lot of dry air wrapping around the back as well. On Friday, it is forecast to move up into, say, northeast and South Australia, southwest Queensland, and northwest New South Wales. Now, the key here is that the line that I'm running down, my hand down there, or the pointer down there at the moment, that's the trough. Right, so areas to the west of that are very dry. The air's very dry. Areas to the east, you can see down here a high pressure system in the Tasman Sea. So areas to the east of that trough, over here, through central inland parts, southern inland parts, southeast and northern parts of New South Wales, they get all this moisture coming off the high pressure system from way down here in the Tasman, and it feeds it in. The low pressure system does have cold air in it in the mid-level atmospheres, so that creates an area of lift. Lifts the moisture, down comes the rain and storms, showers, storms, rainstorms. Alright, so on Saturday it is forecast to amplify. What I mean by amplify is you can see the draw coming in off the Coral Sea and Tasman Sea into the trough and low, situated up here in northwest New South Wales and southern Queensland. Actually extends into central inland as well. A lot of moisture being drug in there, guys, in the red shaded areas. The cold air associated with the low will lift that moisture up and cause it to rain, shower and storm. Now on Saturday it progresses towards the east slightly. It does weaken a little bit Saturday afternoon, but Saturday is where we are expecting most of the activity across these areas of New South Wales and Queensland. Then on Sunday it tends to want to push out offshore. Okay, towards the east, another high pressure system pushes it through. Pretty sure GFS, the other model, is agreeing with that as well. Yes, it is. So all gone on Saturday at this stage, guys. All right, so Friday and Saturday are the main days for these areas. Now, it's not going to be a bloody rain bomb like the media are belting it up, the Daily Mail, Sunrise and Channel 7. For God's sake, people, ditch the hyped up headlines and just deliver the facts, because it's not a very nice time of the year, or in the current drought situation, to be going telling people are about to get a rain bomb, which would be more detrimental than anything anyway. They drive me mad, and they give us a bad name as forecasters, so it's a real shame. But anyway, we'll move on to it. Here is the rainfall forecast totals from GFS through the BSCH site. This is just one model. It's just an example to show you some of the potential. So parts of northwest New South Wales out here might not quite get to Broken Hill, but Wilcannia, Burke, Cobar, Walgett, Lightning Ridge, down to Griffith. We could see some patchy storms through there off that low pressure system, some showers and storms there. Obviously areas, the focus of the better rainfall is northeast New South Wales, mainly that inland, the New England area, northwest slopes and plains there from Moree, Armidale, down there. So we certainly hope that they get it. Other areas won't miss out, like Young, Bathurst, Dubbo, Tamworth should get a little bit as well, and obviously down the coast there also. If we have a look into Queensland, you can see that The cut-off's about from Rockhampton to Emerald, guys, and then from about Charleville east. There might be a few little patchy storms across the southwest there, but you can see through the southeast quarter of the state that good showers, some rain areas and storms are forecast over those 2 days to bring widespread areas of 10 to 25 millimetres, possibly a little bit higher on the down parts of the downs, but we'll have to wait and see, eh? We'll just we'll keep it to 10 to 25 for now and see what happens after that. So Friday, Saturday's the better day. Let's go over here and have a look at another model. This is the EC model from Windy, and again you can see there, we can zoom in and have a look here, I think, but you can basically see that northeast area of New South Wales is looking to get the better falls forecast at this stage. Widespread falls of say 20 to 35 millimetres on this particular model, all right, down to about Dubbo 17. Orange, it starts to thin out a bit as well. Still a little bit down that way, but probably the ACT will cut it off. We might get a shower further down, and further down into southern New South Wales, a bit of a shower. But definitely the focus for the better rainfall is that northeast quarter of New South Wales and southeast quarter of Queensland. And you can see there Rockhampton might be lucky to get 2 spots. Springshore 4.3 to room 15. It's hope. It's a little bit of rain, and that's all we want. We want a little bit of steady rain. There'll be a few storms in it. I think that some might become a little bit severe with some damaging winds if they get going. It's that time of year that sort of we start to get a bit more heat kicking around, I guess, if you like, to trigger some storm activity. So look, they may bring some better falls as well, 25s to 50s if we can get under some of these thunderstorms. Just another look at a different model there. Dalby 33 on this model, Warwick 33. Wouldn't that be amazing, hey? Gundawindi nearly 40, Armidale 54. Fingers crossed. It's been holding now for quite some time. As you know, with our earlier release on Monday, it's now Wednesday. We've got a couple of days to go before it starts. Let's just hope that it holds. Guys, if you'd like to head over to our website, higginstormchasing.com. On the home page here, you can subscribe to become a member. And what that does and what we do is we issue our own in-house forecasts and maps for Queensland, Southeast Queensland, New South Wales, ACT and Vic. They're 24-hour rainfall maps and storm maps, guys, plus email alerts and all sorts of stuff. If you want to head over to our website and subscribe for about $38 a year. All right, that's enough for me. We'll do another video, I would say, leading into it. Maybe what's today, Wednesday, Friday. I'll probably do another video Friday. And then I've got the live stream wax to occur at my place on Saturday. So it might be a wet wax on Saturday. A lot of pain to be inflicted there. We'll do another video on Friday and just to see how it's shaping up and the final look at the models, guys. But fingers crossed, it's not a rain bomb, but it certainly is some welcome showers, rain areas and storms in the forecast for the next, or for Friday, Saturday. That's for sure over parts of New South Wales and Queensland. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe.